saw masters, where every sharp blade tells a story of strength, ingenuity and creativity. This is the world of those who turn wood into masterpieces. CS1500 is one of the most powerful electric chainsaws on the market, featuring power sharp technology that sharpens the chain right on the machine in seconds. The Echo CS 2511T is another marvel, lightweight yet ferocious, like holding a piece of lightning in your hand. Its agile frame crafted for intricate maneuvers and delicate cuts among high branches and dense canopies. In the hands of a master, these chainsaws become brushes of creation, allowing fallen giants of the forest to be shaped and repurposed. The Dolma PS 6100 is like a tempest in the hand. This German powerhouse, with its robust 4.6 horsepower engine, merges strength and balance in a way that's nearly poetic. As it bites into dense timber, it's not merely cutting, it's composing a symphony of control, letting the operator mold raw wood as though it were clay. Each of these chainsaws isn't just a tool but a carefully honed companion, elevating forestry work to artistry, creating a seamless bond between power, precision, and craftsmanship. Meanwhile, the Makita's Guo 3 PT offers battery-powered brilliance, making it a silent sentinel of the woods, producing the same precision cuts without the roar, only the quiet rush of power and purpose. Next, let's take a look at the mighty wood chipper, a masterpiece of industry wrapped in the strength of steel and the grace of movement. It stands as a powerful guardian of the rhythms of the forest, breathing life into the cycle of renewal by transforming towering trees into delicate seeds of rebirth. This machine, equipped with a sharp, relentless blade and a motor that hums with the power of earth and metal, turns rough and coarse materials into a cascade of finely honed wood chips. As branches and logs enter its powerful jaws, they are met with a symphony of power and precision. The Warata H215 is more than just a harvester, it is a sophisticated partner in the forestry industry. Built to withstand time, nature and the demands of industry, this is the quintessential tool for those seeking speed, precision and reliability. The snowplow's blade slices through the thick layers of snow, transforming the frozen winter landscape into a clear, passable road. It's a powerful sight, watching the winter barriers fall away to reveal a path of possibility. From the powerful Ski-Hull MS881 to the compact Husqvarna 135, each represents a unique approach to forestry work. where silence is golden. The MSA 200CB is the embodiment of modern sophistication, powered by lithium-ion technology. Thank you for watching Saw Masters, where art and power meet. See you in the next videos, where we continue our journey to honor the masters and the best saws.